Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English words. I'm your host, Alex, and today we're diving into the word book. Book, an A2 level verb, means to reserve something. When we say book, we mean to arrange for something to be used or done at a particular time in the future, like booking a table at a restaurant or booking a hotel room. Let's look at some synonyms. Words like reserve and arrange mean pretty much the same thing as book. For example, you could say, I need to reserve a train ticket, or we need to arrange a meeting for next week. Both are similar to saying, I need to book a train ticket and we need to book a meeting for next week. Now, let's explore antonyms. Some opposite words to book would be cancel or release. For example, we had to cancel our flight due to bad weather, or the company had to release the hotel rooms, which are opposite to the idea of making a reservation. Thinking about how we use book in everyday life, it's everywhere. We book appointments, we book flights, we book concert tickets. You might hear someone say, I'm going to book a doctor's appointment for 3 p.m., or did you book that show for Friday? Here are some more usage examples. I will book a table for 4 at the restaurant. She needs to book a hotel for their trip. Can I book a taxi for 8 a.m.? To sum it up, the word book, as a verb, means to arrange or reserve something. We explored its synonyms like reserve and arrange, and its antonyms cancel and release. We also saw how it's used daily when making plans or reservations. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed learning about book, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. It really helps others find the show. And don't forget to create your own sentence using book and share it in the comments below. I can't wait to see what you come up with.